It's la bonita, la bonita. It's time for you to take care of yourself. For the mature woman, la bonita. Hi, ladies. How are you doing? My mature, beautiful ladies. And you already know it is Women's Month. It is Women's Month. We just had National Women Month, National Women Day a couple of days ago to celebrate these beautiful women. So we got the rest of the whole month just to celebrate ourselves. And today I want to talk to you, beautiful ladies, about taking care of your skin, taking care of the skin you are in. And I am here to tell you we are maturing and we must take care of ourselves. So at that point, I want to talk, I'm going to tell you about all these wonderful things that is going on in my life, what I use. I've been doing a lot of things with the TikTok shop, getting a lot of products sent to me, trying it out. And if I try it out, I talk about it. Well, I'm here to tell you, I love this 2-in-1 facial cleanser device. It is the best. I'm telling you, it massages your skin as it cleans your skin. It is wonderful. I so love this. And I got this from the TikTok shop, and I'll put my link below, but I tell you, this is amazing. And the only thing you have to do is to cleanse your face first. I like to cleanse my face with a black soap, and I loves it for my skin. So I put a little bit of the black soap on my skin. I like it because it don't suds up. It just do enough. And that's what I like about it. It do enough. And then I take my cleansing device, that over there, my facial cleansing device, and I just let it do what it do. In a circular motion, let's cleanse all around, up underneath the neck. Oh, this feels so good. Oh my God, it feels so good. And you are feeling your skin just being cleaned the right way. And that's pretty much all what you do. Just like that, just like so. When I tell you this feels so good, I get up extra early in the morning to just take some time out for myself. I really do. Yep, I do. Take some time to spend with me. Yep, you just turn it off. Okay, just like that. Got my wet hands, so it's hard to turn it off with wet hands, so. Then I pat it dry. Yes. Pat it dry, and then I use my Ageless. This is my Ageless Skin Serum. I'll put that on. Let me turn that on, that water off. Put the Agent Anti-Skin Serum. on my skin. And I also got this from the TikTok shop. This was sponsored to me also, Ageless. And I'll send you the link to that. And I just rub it in as so. Feels so good just to massage your skin in the morning. It feels really good to have a good cleaning, have your skin just a good cleaning in the morning. Those pores are open and you clean them really well. Early in the morning, you feel so good. And we are always moving upwards, rubbing our skin outwards, because we already know gravity is already trying to pull everything down. And our job is to pull it up, right? So that's it. La Bonita ladies, look at that. Yes. I feel so good. Yes, it feels so good. So it is so wonderful for you to take care of your skin early in the morning. And I'm here to tell you, this 2-in-1 facial cleanser, I give this 2 thumbs up. And again, you can get it off my TikTok shop, 2 thumbs up. And it did everything it was supposed to do. It did everything it was supposed to do. And this anti-aging serum, it is amazing. It is amazing. I love it. I'm 60 years young and I have to take care of the skin that I am in. Skin is the biggest organ on your body. So you know for sure you have to take care of it, especially when you are maturing like we are. So you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. Hit the notification button and the bell. And every single time I make a video on skincare, hair care, fashion, on whatever, you will know. So thank you again for tuning into La Bonita, the channel for fashion and skincare for less and more. So happy, wonderful Wednesday. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, share it out, and do something wonderful for yourself. Do you know how good it feels to take care of your skin in the morning before you start your hectic day? Do you know how good that feels? It feels amazing. So I just want to tell you, have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day on purpose. So thank you again for tuning into La Bonita.